Hey guys, Frugal Stu here. Today we'll be talking about my top 5 favorite products for international travel. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Now obviously things like a backpack, luggage, camera, etc. are assumed in many lists, so this list is dedicated more to those products you may not think about. Starting at number 5 is a portable luggage scale. If you are traveling on any major or budget carrier airline, a scale is worth its weight in gold. I cannot tell you how many times I've had to weigh my carry-on bags in the hotel room or weigh my checked luggage before flying internationally. This little scale is so small and easy to throw in any bag that it is worth the space. In my experience, these scales are all cheap and around the same price. I bought this one at a discount store. However, if you have any recommendations on high-quality luggage scales, please let me know in the comments below. My fourth favorite travel item is these packing cubes. Now I know these cubes are debatable because they do add a little extra weight for carry-on luggage. However, it is worth the minimal weight for the organization. I really like these packing cubes I purchased on Amazon, and I also like having different colors to help remember which clothes I put in what cube. Even though these bags have a compression zipper, I do not think you can fit more inside your carry-on luggage because of the weight. But I like having the compression zipper to help make these cubes more packable. Also, what I like about these bags is when you're traveling to a hotel or in between stays, it's easy to slide out your packing cubes and put them in a drawer. That allows you to have the extra space in your backpack without having to individually repack all your clothes. Next on my list is the third item, which is kind of a surprise. Luggage covers. Yes, you heard me right. Remember, like book covers in elementary school, these are the adult versions, and although they may seem like they would not do much, I have found these extremely helpful in protecting the longevity of my expensive suitcases. They work great for cloth suitcases and allow the airport baggage people the freedom they love to destroy your luggage. In all seriousness, I have found these cheap covers to really help protect and identify my luggage while out at the airport. Also, I do think they are kind of a pain to put on and take off, so to me it's one more step that the airport security guys have to take if they want to examine my checked luggage. Next, the number 2 travel item on my list is a neck pillow. But not just any neck pillow, this neck pillow is by far the greatest neck pillow I've ever used. It's from Muji, the Japanese store that has all kind of cool things. It's not only soft, but it has a hood, which sounds weird but awesome to sleep in because you can cover your eyes while on the plane. It also has a zipper that allows you to remove and wash the fabric to help destroy all of those nasty germs that you pick up while moving around the world. And finally, number 1, hands down, my favorite item in the world is noise-canceling headphones. Yes, screaming baby on your 16-hour flight, it always happens. Who cares anymore if you have noise-canceling headphones? Never sit near the bulkhead carrier of seats, but if you do, these headphones will save your flight from any noise disruption. I'm currently using the Sony XM3s. If I was to buy headphones right now, I would get the XM4s and travel like a professional around the world. Yes, they take up space, but it is space well deserved, and the reason this travel item makes the number 1 on my list. They're not the cheapest in the world, but frugal doesn't always mean you get the cheapest. Sometimes frugal means you research and buy the best. What are your top 5 favorite travel products? If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave your comments below. I hope to continue to bring relevant content for the frugal-minded buyer and be a good steward of finances. Thanks for watching.